Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. What if your GPS told you that you are in Mumbai but you are actually in Delhi? Yes, this happens in reality but not every day. In special cases this might happen. So welcome to the world of GPS spoofing. Yes, in this video we are talking about actually GPS spoofing. This is the topic of discussion in today's video. GPS spoofing is something that it's actually a silent cyber weapon. Yes, this is actually a silent cyber weapon that can hijack ships, mislead missiles, even trick your phone. So you might have seen the title of the video. Today's title of video is GPS spoofing, the silent cyber weapon no one sees coming. Yes, when this thing happens, in most of the cases, you cannot understand easily that this is happening in reality right now. And when you realize, then actually it's too late. This thing happens. Anyway, so what is GPS spoofing? You know GPS. GPS receiver is there. GPS receiver is available in your smartphone, in drones, in self-driving cars. So many things are equipped with this facility, GPS receiver. And what is the function of GPS receiver? That is not you. It tells you the location. And depending on the location, many things can be done. Many things are actually accomplished based on the current location of that electronic device that is known to you. So in case of GPS spoofing, what happens actually in this case? Okay, here in this case, jammers are not used to block the GPS. Here it's a cyber technique actually, where a fake GPS signal is broadcast. It's a cyber technique where a fake GPS signal is broadcast to deceive a GPS receiver. So I was telling you that a GPS receiver is available in your smartphone, in self-driving cars, in drones, in so many things. GPS receivers are available. So that means the available signal, which is nothing but a fake signal in this case, when GPS spoofing occurs, okay. That means that this is done deliberately. In case of cyber war, this is done. Okay, so a fake signal is broadcast to deceive the GPS receivers available in that area. And that's why you can see that fake locations or wrong locations. Though it sounds like science fiction, but it's happening. Okay, in 2011, Iran used the same technique, that is GPS spoofing, okay, to hijack a US drone. Iran did this, okay, in the year 2011. A drone was hijacked by them, and that drone actually belonged to US. Again in 2019, the Russian ships reported their wrong locations or false locations, miles of course, okay. So in that case also GPS spoofing was used. You know, actually in today's era, many things are dependent on this facility, that is GPS techniques like navigation, like telecom sync, military operations, then banking timestamps. So the things which are built on this system all become vulnerable. Even the plane's autopilot, okay, can be hijacked or misled by using the same technology, that is GPS spoofing. That means here what happens, the available signal, because fake signal was used in that area by the enemy party. Okay, fake signal was used. That means the signal available to your GPS receivers are lying to the receivers. Okay, so your GPS receiver is actually taking this signal, available signal, as a right one, and that way everything can be captured. Okay, means can be hijacked, can be misled. Anyway, that means if someday your phone's location is showing you some wrong data about the location, actually I am talking about location. If it is displaying wrong location, then maybe means there is a chance that it is not a technical glitch. It is a kind of cyber attack in disguise. Anyway, so I was talking about what? GPS spoofing, that means here jammers are not used to block the GPS. Instead, here fake signals are used to fool the devices. And that way those devices can be hijacked or misled. So actually this topic, GPS spoofing, this is a part of a broader topic. Broader topic is what? Cyber war, cyber warfare. Okay. Anyway, another day I will make a complete video on that topic, cyber war. So this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.